Is ClickUp free? Let's break it down. You're probably sitting there, staring at your computer screen, thinking, I need a project management tool. ClickUp looks great, but is it free? Well, let's dive in and find out. We've all been there. You're drowning in tasks, projects, and deadlines. You need a tool to help you stay organized and productive. Enter ClickUp. Promises the world when it comes to project management, but is it worth the price? Or better yet, is there even a price? Let's clear the air right away. Yes, ClickUp does have a free plan, but as with most things in life, there's a catch. The free plan comes with limitations. You can use it for basic project management, but don't expect all the bells and whistles. So what exactly can you do with the free ClickUp plan? Well, you can create tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. You can also use the basic features of the calendar and the Gantt chart. It's a good starting point for small teams or individual users who don't need a lot of bells and whistles. But what if you need more? What if you want to use advanced features like time tracking, custom fields, and integrations? Well, that's where the paid plans come in. ClickUp offers several paid plans with different features and pricing. The unlimited plan is the most popular choice for small and medium-sized businesses. It includes all the features of the free plan, plus unlimited storage, unlimited tasks, and unlimited members. You also get advanced features like time tracking, custom fields, and integrations. If you need even more features, you can upgrade to the business or enterprise plan. These plans offer additional features like advanced reporting, goal management, and security features. So, is ClickUp worth it? Well, that depends on your needs. If you're a small team or individual user who just needs basic project management features, the free plan might be all you need. But if you need more features or want to take advantage of ClickUp's full potential, you'll probably need to upgrade to a paid plan. Ultimately, the best way to decide if ClickUp is right for you is to try it out. The free plan is a great way to get started and see if the platform is a good fit for your team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.